Hi everyone, today let's look into how to create contracts for your clients in literally one click. Okay, now let me show you the flowchart. Here we started from a Google Sheet as a database. Then we use Google Docs to create a document and then convert to PDF. Finally, we send this to the client. Okay, now what do you need? First of all, you need to create your Google account. Okay, this is the first step. You can do it so easy. Just going, doing to make.com. Okay, go to make.com, get start free. This is a way how you can create this. You can sync out with your Google account, or if you have no options here. Well, the next thing that we need to do is having a Google Sheet as a database. Okay, now as a database, well, the idea is to create something like this. This is important because from here you will send different parameters to make.com. Okay, so we're going to do this from scratch. Okay, go to Sheets, create a new one, and here we'll use some customer fields such as client, the country, and well, email, product description, maybe scope of work, price, delivery time. Okay, email, product description, scope of work, okay, and delivery time, the current time, and the amount. It's important, the amount or the price. Well, and only had to send a contract. Send a contract. Okay, here we are. Perfect. Now I'll make some little things here. This will blue. Perfect. Basic. Current time and delivery time. This will be formatted by what is this? Okay. Date. Same here. make a date. Demand is obviously currency. And here I wanna add some drop down. And here I wanna use only one and just send. Okay. A color, I'm gonna use this color. Perfect. Okay. Done. Now, this is the second step here, having a sheet as a database. Okay, this done is it's done. Now, the next thing what we need to do is having a Google template. In this case, we're gonna use to Google Docs. Okay, it's needed to have a template. In Google Docs. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to go again and jump into Google Docs. Here, create a new one. Well, here you can create and display your whole contract, but if you don't have idea, you can use ChatGPT. Okay, here we are in ChatGPT, and we can write something like, I work as a freelance. Okay, I'm just putting in some example. Okay, as a freelance in AI automation in Upwork and Fiverr. Okay, please create a contract to send to my client. Okay, now let's see here. ChatGPT is creating. Alright, timeline, payment terms, revision and modifications. Alright, looks great. Now I'm gonna copy this and go to the new document. Here, perfect. We have the document. It looks great. Now we're gonna use curly braces. This is dynamic parameters that we can use to order and to match with every field here. Client, country, email, and the other fields. Okay, so we're gonna change this. We in this case to indicate dynamic parameters. we will use these curly braces. For example, date. When I use date, in this case is current date. Okay, I'm gonna use here. Okay, now the next thing is freelance. You can use your name. For example, in my case, Max Adderley, client's full name. Here again, you will use these parameters. And I'm gonna use only client. The client here. Okay, the project title. It's okay. Automation services. Scope of work. Freelance agreement. Okay, blah blah blah. List specific list of tasks. Here we can use the scope. Oh, how many parameters I guess? Price, delivery time. Okay, it's perfect. Scope of work. Okay. The project and the start date. Okay, here once again current day and completed by the end date, delivery date. Okay, was I think this is not needed for this moment. Payment terms. Okay, until this part, payment terms. In this case, amount, it's okay. Again, this is a dynamic parameter. Here it is, the amount. We don't need to use this because, okay. And you can use and change every parameter here depending of your work or depending what kind of services you offer. Okay. Number of visions, confidentiality, ownership work, determination, well, government duration. Okay. Signatures here, date, client, freelance. You can put the date here. In this case, the same here. The current date. And the client will put in the next client name. Here, use the same. Is a client. Okay. Anyway, perfect. Okay, I want to put this in black and perfect. It's all. Okay. It's on. Now I'm gonna put a name here. There will be contract template. Okay. Contract template is done. here your databases. I want to put here clients, your clients here in contract. Perfect. What's the next step? Well, the next steps enable the Google Sheets webhook. Okay, and here we go to perfect. First, we're gonna put it here. We're gonna use the Google Sheet to use this. In this case, we're gonna use a new one. For this, you need to go to extensions. Okay, add-ons, get add-ons, and here you will search make the call. Make the call. And here it appears the connection we will use. Okay. In my case, I have installed. That's the reason why it doesn't appear. But well, when you go, it's so easy. You only click the accept and install. Then, when you are installed this, go to Make for Google Sheets. Will appear this part. Go to Settings. Okay. And here, you need to put the webhook URL. Okay. This is so important because with a simple check or simple change you want to do some part of the sheet, will automatically change in our platform of automation. Okay, it's so important. This step. Well, it's done. Well, enable Google Sheet webhook. Perfect. It's on. Now, let's jump into the platform to automation. We go to make account. Okay, you are creating this account. Now, go here. It's more probably appears in something like this. Okay, so we're going to go. You have here some templates, but we want to start from scratch. Okay, so go to create a new scenario. Once we are here, here is Google Sheets, but so you don't show this, just text Google Sheet here. Now, what we're gonna do is, in this case, for example, watch a new road. Okay, watch a new road. What it means, every time that we're creating a new client or new customer here is in our database. Every time when you add a new client, automatically we activate this. Okay, now this is important. What's new rule? So once we're here, choose the file. This we name clients. It's perfect. Sheet name. Sheet number 1. We're using this. The sheet name is here. And second part. Okay, since specific goal choose manually, all in this case. Now we add to a model. The next step is to add a model of Google Docs. We're searching Google Docs, and here we're gonna create a new document for a template. Okay. Now, what a template is? A template that we will created. This is contract template. Okay. This contract template. Okay. Here we'll set up the parameters, dynamic parameters we got, and we match with a Google Sheet. Okay. Now current date. Here we have current time, client. This came is client, scope of work is the same here, delivery date, delivery time, okay, and the amount is with amount. The title for here, I'm gonna use contract, and I'm gonna use a color name. Okay, perfect. Okay, new document location. I'm gonna use in test. Missing you. Okay. Now here we need to convert this document to PDF. It looks more professional. So in the same case, Google Docs. We're gonna download a document. Okay. We need to download here document ID. You put in here contract template. We're gonna map in this case is a document ID. Okay. Now the type we choose PDF. Okay. Now the final step here is to add a new module that we send an email for a client. Okay, here we have email, and simply you look for send an email. Okay, in some case you choose your account, Google Docs for you, and well, add the recipient here, who is here. We have the email, because you will send this email for every client that you have. A subject, I'm gonna put here contract. Okay, I'm gonna put the match in here. Wait, this contract. Content type, I'm gonna choose plain text. Okay, it's more easy to hear when you put a content. It will be easy. Now, here we can explain a detailed email. we're gonna say hi, your client name. Okay. Okay. I hope you are in good health. As agreed. I'm sending. I'm sending. I'm sending you the contract. Okay. So please review the document. Thank you for work with me. And well, this is the last part. Here you put your name. Okay, it's done. Go. Now, in this last part, I'm gonna add update the row. From the same client. What we're going to update in the sheet number 1 here is this row number we're using, and what we're going to modify every time is this send. When the email is sent, we will activate this send here. Okay, perfect. Everything is done. Now we're gonna make a test. Okay, runs 1 is done. Go here in our database. I'm gonna create an example. Client Sam Smith, country USA, email. In this case, we're gonna make a test. I need to show an email. I'm gonna put my email in order to we can see how the email arrives. Okay. The project description. I want to use only AI automation. And the scope of work. I wanna put in automation with make.com. Okay. Delivery time and current time. here. Today, in this case is 10, 10, 4. Delivery time, I don't know, we make 14. Okay. The amount, I don't know, maybe $500. This is only percent. Here is nothing because when the email is sent, it will automatically change it. Okay, but by the moment it's done, I think. Okay, go again to make. And run. Okay, it's creating a doc, it's download a document, send, and finally, it's all a process. Now we go to our database, look at this what changes. Now it's sent because the email was sent. Now we go to our mail here, Gmail. We have here this new one. For me, contract, the icon was what we used. In here is a name but doesn't appear the document. What happened? It's not a problem here. Here was a problem. Attachment. We need to add the attachment. Okay? What attachment is a cool docs? Okay. Only thing that we know we need to change. Okay. Again, we're gonna make the same test. Now I wanna choose to start manually. Okay, this is a test we're making. Runs once. Again, it's creating a new one. It's perfect. Okay. Now we're gonna see our email again. Here is a new one. Contract. And here is. Okay. Hi, I'm Sam Smith. You can order this as you want. How you can do? You're on Google Health, blah blah blah. Well, in this attachment, if you open this document, you're in PDF and this is a contract we are creating. A freelance contract with automation services. I mean, but the client, this is my name, Sam Smith is the client, the project, the agree. This is the date. We started and completed by, okay, and that's all. Here, you put the amount here to the price, 5,000. Okay. Well, you can customize for every client that you have. Okay. So that's the job. Look at this, look incredible. So this is the way how you can create multiple contracts for your clients. Okay, it's very important. Now, okay, where's the advantage of this? It's not necessary to create a contract for each client. No need to email every customer. You save time. It's free. Reduce manual entry, minimize the risk of human errors. You have a lot of advantages when you automate your processes. So, well, this is an important part of the video. I think now you can add more modules Here you can add, for example, use ChatGPT inside this send, or here you can use some AI to recognize the documents. You automatically save all this in your database here. Okay, and well, here you can add another things, another modules to save these documents in Drive or Dropbox on something like that. Perfect. You have everything here. And well, I think it's all. Okay. So I hope this was helpful and stay tuned for more. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.